stately and grand while being thoughtfully crafted. This single-story home includes a pool, views, bar, multiple living spaces, and everything you need to experience hill country relaxation. Now, wherever you are in the world, this tour is for you, and we're going to get into it right now. Now, my name is Keith Duble. If you don't already know, I'm a realtor committed to bringing you the best property tours in Austin. I'd love to have you as a part of our YouTube family, so please consider touching that subscribe button and do me a favor, let me know what you love about this house in the comments below, and I will do my best to hit you back. I try very hard to make sure I'm communicating with everybody who takes time to leave me a message. I greatly appreciate it. Special thanks to Julie Lavender with All City Real Estate. This listing is immaculate. It is beautiful, and everything is on point. The staging, the colors, everything you've done is amazing. Guys, right out of the gate, walking into this space, there is so much going on, so much architecture, so much thoughtfully crafted design and elevation. The size of this common space is beautiful, but it also is sensible. There is windows, picture windows, transom windows, sliding doors, excuse me. There's also that amazing, super unique 3-cloud suspended ceiling over the main dining space, which is backlit to add that additional kind of ambiance. It's beautiful. And it really just adds a ton of character to this space. Now, there's a lot of really cool things. That floor-to-ceiling stone across that main wall with the fireplace. You have those storage nooks on either side for all of your cabinets and shelves and so forth. Your built-ins. It's beautiful. And the layout in this room is just amazing. Lots of light, really open and beautiful. And you have a really, really beautifully spaced kind of dining area between your kitchen and your living space. I did a tour the other day, a very lovely home, very stately home, but I think my one complaint, it was a similar layout to this, except that one had beams in the ceilings and so forth. Really they tried to get the dining space in there, and it was a little too cramped. I really feel the layout in this kitchen / living room / dining area, it just makes more sense. You have that oversized stainless fridge, which is amazing. You have these great the cooktop, the really updated, I think that's a Sub-Zero or a Wolf cooktop. I have to check on that, but it's a very nice kind of a luxury brand. We have all these shelves in this pantry space here, and we're gonna go out, and I can't wait to show you. There's a really cool bar area, which is awesome, and there's so much access to the backyard. Now, this area really is lovely. The whole time I'm in this house, I'm thinking hill country feel. I'm thinking just really relaxing, warm tones. Everything is really beautifully thought out, well laid out. And actually, those are Gen Air. Those are Gen Air appliances, super high-end finishes, lovely. So, sorry about that, Julie. If you're listening, there's a correction for you. She's probably listening and being like, that's not Wolf. It's okay. Beautiful. Anyway, the point is the appliances are all really, really quality, high-end. All that veining, that quartz countertops, just beautiful. Lots of uppers and lowers, storage everywhere. Again, warm tones, warm ceilings, warm tones complement all of the colors, floor to ceiling, the wood, the paint, everything is kind of blends together beautifully. Now, this area over here is a really nice touch. You've got lots of storage. You got the tower on the left side with the glass so you can see inside. You can have some of your decorative glasses and various shot glasses and whatever it is that you'd like to store in there. You also have a wine fridge down here. You have shallow cabinets on one side and deeper cabinets on the other under the sink. You have a dishwasher over here, second dishwasher, and of course you have a sink. And you have the quartz countertops with that bar counter and access directly into the backyard. Now, this back patio space is immaculate. It is really cool. You got all that tongue and groove in the ceiling, really, really just elongates and brings your eye all the way to the end of that space. Really, really, really making it oversized and big. You have that pool that just crowns that space outside. It's really lovely. And when we get outside, I'm going to show you all those really beautiful views. You can actually see into the hill country over there. Really lovely. You have your guest bath off the main living space. Again, just continuity with more of the same kind of tones and wood finishes and your cabinets, the colors, just beautiful. There is another guest second living space off over here with, I believe, double doors, so those French doors kind of close that off for some privacy. So if you want to put you have a holiday event and you have the kids over here, you just pop the kids in this room. They get to watch a show. You have access. They can come in and out, go into the pool area while the adults are in the living space, or vice versa. But lots of options. So lots of recessed can lights in here, so you can really kind of get a feel for the, for the room, get that brightness in. And then you go through those sliding doors, and there's also a bar service area on the wall here, so you can have a service from the bar into this other living space here. Now we're going to go down the hallway here. The first is this mudroom. The garage is in through that door, which we'll get into later. There's the mudroom over here, and this is a large pantry area. So, I have it is not a pantry. I'm sorry. It is a utility room, a laundry room. That's what I do that all the time. I'm sorry, guys. So it's a laundry room. We have a sink. We have uppers and lowers, under counter storage there. And again, a big space for your washer dryer set up in another, cubby there for the fridge on the wall. Heading down here, we have more bedrooms, and we have a Jack and Jill setup, if I can remember correctly. And they did a great job kind of putting the 3 picture windows side by side on the corner of this room. Really brings that light in. And look at those beautiful trees out there. Those are all heritage trees, live oak trees. Those trees are beautiful. They're younger. They're going to last a long time. And we're going to get into that outdoor garage space. You could probably convert that into a casita if you want. It has AC already built in. It's a ductless unit that they put on the wall. Really keeps it nice and cool. I'll take you out there in a moment. You can see. So we're going to go through this Jack and Jill. We have a double vanity in here. We're going to go around through the bathroom, the throne room, and then we're going to go to the vanity room on the other side where the sinks are for the other bedroom. But this room is finished with, of course, the shared shower with the frameless glass door, and it's got a really cool kind of a projected shower head. It's got that bar shower head, really nice. I wanted to kind of turn it on because I love the shower heads and the money that goes into some of these fixtures. It's just amazing. They put really quality stuff. Of course, you have the handheld wand for the handheld shower component. All of the closets are really generous. I mean, nothing at all that you're missing with these closets. Nice space in here, ceiling fans. Of course, in Texas, it's kind of a must-have. I've done some tours where rooms don't have ceiling fans, and people generally, they don't have a lot of wonderful things to think or say about that because, Texas, man, it just gets warm. Really kind of gives you a lot more air circulation and takes some of the load off of the HVAC system, just getting that circulation going. A large garage space. So we have the double car garage here, the swing in, and then on the other side of this wall here is kind of a work area. You have your Rainbird. I believe that's Rainbird. It's your irrigation control panel over here, but you have like this bump out on the side where you can set up, a workstation, maybe put some benches in there, whatever you need to, but you can have additional space to, kind of whatever hobby area you'd like to use that for. So coming down the wall, down the hallway here, and we're going to pass through this area here. We're going to get outside momentarily, but just again, that really cool kind of that 3 cloud suspended ceiling over the dining area. It's a cool little feature there. So I'm going to open these sliders, and we're going to head out back. Excuse me. We're going to head out back here, and we're going to see this. We're going to see these. The very various breakdown of this space back here. So on one end, we have another seating area kind of sitting around that fireplace area. On the right side, we have more of a dining area set up here. But the point is that there's so much space. You can do pretty much anything you want to back here. So again, that is a 8-seater table, which, not cramped at all. And then you have that couch set up by the fireplace. You come outside in the uncovered area, and I'm walking between these 2 chaise lounges, and I'm going to zoom in here. I don't like to zoom in because it's kind of shaky. I try to do it as smooth as I can, But yeah, the camera just doesn't do it justice, guys. See, I'm not amazing at the zoom in, but you can see all the beautiful houses in the hill country, not far from Galleria, not far from the school. By the way, taxes in the area. So the hill country Galleria, by the way, is a huge shopping area, not too far away. I mean, literally minutes, 2 miles from Hamilton Pool Road on from Highway 71. Lots of local amenities, some of the lowest taxes and HOA dues in the entire area. LTISD, Lake Travis schools, a lot of amazing things to be said about this location. So here's the spa and the pool area. Beautiful, kind of just a simple lap pool with that smooth cut coping, which is beautiful. You've got your grill space over here, another slider door that goes into that second living space, and all of this is conveniently just located right on the bump out outside of that the outdoor covered patio. And guys, I don't know if you've ever tried to maintain a surface like grass or anything around a pool. It just gets trampled to death. So gravel is hot and it's hard to walk on. Cool decking is expensive, and I'm not gonna say that the sod, the turf is cheap. It is not cheap at all, but it is a really organic look. Kind of introduces that color. And cool decking over years can kind of chip. It can kind of, whereas that turf, I think it's a great selection. It stays cool. It stays durable. If you have dogs or whatever, you can actually, sometimes they will use the restroom on it, and you spray it, washes it away. It's actually, I know, sorry, it's kind of taboo, but that's real life. I've got 2 dogs, and sometimes I'm just like, man, really? So you could just kind of easy clean up kind of a thing, and it stays cool and it looks green and good. So year round, green grass, a turf, not cheap, but definitely a good alternative to cool decking and gravel and xeriscaping and so forth. So heading into this garage, a second garage. This is another 2-car bonus garage. Now you can convert this if you like. You can turn this into a casita. You can do whatever you want to with this space, but it is nice and cool in here. Here's the remote control for the wall-mounted ductless HVAC system on the wall there. Guys, I have one of those in my gym that we built in our house. We put a gym on the second level of our home, and we have one installed in the attic. It's one of those attic HVAC ductless systems, and it just keeps that room perfectly cool. We've had one. I had an outdoor office in my last house in our backyard. We built this big 400 square foot office. We put in our backyard, and it had a ductless HVAC system in it. The whole unit was about 900 square feet, but the office portion was about 425. And that thing, it keeps it no problem. That garage is a large space, and that ductless system, it kept it nice and cool. Just a great job. So coming back through this beautiful pool, guys, I love this pool space. This lot was really nicely chosen. Some of the sod that they laid, I think they probably did some hydro mulch in the front yard past the sod that they laid, because sod is crazy expensive. When you get into these large lots, what they'll do is they'll sod a big portion of it, but then the rest of it they'll spray with like hydro mulch and seed it. And it takes a lot of water, and when you're competing against 107 or 90 something plus days of over 100 plus degrees, not over 300 degrees. We don't live in Mars. Then you can imagine it is kind of tough to compete with. So the front yard needs a little bit more time to kind of establish, but the yard is beautiful. The lot is beautiful. This owner's suite is nice. It is great. A couple of cool little features. I actually turned off one of the overhead lights and turned one on, and I was going to show you that you can actually, if you're reading at nighttime, you can flip off your reading light, flip on your reading light, and you have your own dedicated little reading light. And so kind of give your companion a little bit of reprieve, so they don't have to keep their light on. You can just put yours on, so it's really nice. So just a beautiful array of cabinets. You have the center tower, the lower cabinets, beautiful counter surfaces. You have the frameless glass shower, that standalone soaking tub. It's that rectangular. I actually have that same exact tub in our bathroom. It's awesome, and it's big. It's very big, very comfortable, and plenty of room in that tub. Just lots and lots of space. Cool little window, picture window upside, so you can get more light coming in. Another picture window over the top of the wall here, and again, just brings the light into that glass, frameless glass shower, which is beautiful. So we have We have this middle tower here for additional storage. My wife, we have one in our bathroom, one of those middle towers, and my wife just loves it. It's great for makeup and all the various things, tweezers and all the, makeup applicators, all the stuff. I have no idea, guys. I don't do that. She loves it. It's great. It's good space. Additional, very smart space. The owner's closet, again, lots of wonderful space in here. The built-ins, the shelves, really cool. That center island in there is nice, so you can just come and fold your laundry there, or just have more room to kind of put it in the cabinet space. They just kind of do something with that dead space in the center of that closet space. So we're heading back out, and we have more bedrooms on the other side of the fireplace, and it's very, very nice. I just love the layout in this room. It's so cool. It's nice and grand and just beautiful. And then that little welcome foyer right there, very cool. I'm going to do another shot, I think, as we go. So in the hallway here, tucked away, we have another little workstation. You have a desk built into the wall with your drawers and cabinets, and you have up top air pulls for the drawers. Good sized room, another bedroom in here, closet off to the side. And then we have behind it is a bathroom, which we're going to check out momentarily. But again, all the bedrooms have closets. You're not missing anything at all. It's very nice. Good sized closets. Definitely serve these bedrooms really well. Lots of windows. So the steel windows, meaning you cannot open them, they're picture windows. We have the full shower in here. Great glass door. A cool little finish. I do love the subway on there. It's a little texture. It's very simple, but the texture says a lot about that space. Nice and nicely done. And then, of course, we have our quartz countertops, our lower cabinets. Coming back out the bathroom, we're going to head back into one of the bedrooms here. So that is a shared between your guests, so the hallways, and then, of course, that bedroom uses that bathroom as well. So the last bedroom in the home, and then we're going to start making our way out of the house. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I love this. I don't want to say ranch style, but it is a beautiful kind of single story plan, hill country feel, beautiful gated community, super low taxes. And just so you know, kind of a summary of this house. It's in the title, but just to kind of give you the quick rundown here, this guy is 4136 square feet. It is 5 beds, 4 baths, and 1.04 acres, which is awesome. And just ton of value, 1.7% tax rate, and just close to so many good things. So asking price on this guy is $2.48 million. And just again, Julie, you're a rock star. Well done. Beautiful listing. Love it. Absolutely love it. Guys, if you love this property, hit me up. I would love to work with you and bring an offer to Julie, my colleague. And I would love to serve you in this process, get your questions answered, and just take you through everything you need to know about this property or any other property that you guys like in the greater Austin area. We're just going to finish this up here with some outside shots of the home, some drone images, and some of the views in the area. And feel free to just stick around and check this out. Guys, at the end of the video, we're going to be doing YouTube is going to be making a couple of suggestions. Definitely check out those videos that it recommends, and be sure that you are sticking around and checking out more videos and looking at what we have available. And just again, thank you for all your wonderful feedback and comments. The beautiful property over in the Hill Country area in Southwest Austin. Just stunning. Look at those views, guys. Thank you for sticking around, for checking out this tour. You are such a blessing to me, and I'm so thankful that I got to spend some time with you. Thank you for all your time today again, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.